My name is Thaddeus Eccles, and I am a drama major.
Hi, I'm Maya, and I'm a drama major at Alvin College.
I chose higher education really because I have a deep passion for theater education, and this is a great stepping stone to teach the future generations.
I chose Alvin College because it's closer to home, it's near my family, and specifically I chose drama as my major because it's gonna open a lot of doors for me, and it gave me an opportunity to really explore myself deeper and allow myself to have the fun.
Before I got here, I was purely an actor, purely a performer, and now I know how to build sets, how to design lights, how to do basically all of it. It's not like one person goes off to do the assignment and they're just left alone with it. We all help, we all pitch in, we are all one big community and one big family.
What I like best has to be the auditions. Getting up there in front of people and having to either sing a song or read a monologue and slate all by yourself is kind of scary. And so having my director push me to do it made me get out of my comfort zone. And once you do it a few times, it becomes kind of natural. You're like, oh wait, this isn't too bad. This is okay. I can do this.
I've been working with children basically since I was one. There is something about working specifically in theater education and working with kids is that I get to see that same spark ignite in them that I once had in myself. Not that I don't have that spark still, but like I get to see that fresh and like watch it ignite in them basically. And my end goal in this is ultimately I would love to do something like working at a community college with college kids throughout most of the year, but still have those opportunities to do the children's theater and get basically both sides of that coin, have the best of both worlds.
The job market for me in my experience, because I've only really worked tech. Technical theater is lighting, sound, costumes, props, and the stage manager. The stage manager helps pull it all together. They're really like the glue to like the whole team, and it's really nice when they all come together. There's always a need for theater technicians.
One of the big challenges is that it can be a bit of a time commitment. There can also be some pretty heavy labor, like it can be pretty difficult at times. And when I was first getting into it, there was a lot that I didn't know yet. There was a lot of intellectual, like behind the scenes and wiring stuff that I just did not understand how to do. But ultimately it feels very rewarding once you do that physical task and it's like, oh, well now we've got all of the lights up and like you get to see that end product and see like, oh, this was a result of all of that hard work.
Alvin College has been personally rewarding for me because I've got to face my fears here in a really safe and encouraging and uplifting environment that I haven't really experienced elsewhere. But having the people here to uplift me and encourage me to do things even though I'm scared to do them has been amazing, and I've gotten to know things about myself that I didn't realize I could do.